A wide grip assisted pull-up, the first thing that I want to show you is the stack of weights. This is actually opposite to what most machines represent. So the heavier you go, the easier it's going to be. This represents how much assistance you're getting. So if you put on 100 pounds, you're getting 100 pounds of assistance. The lighter you go, the harder it's going to be. For the wide grip assisted pull-up, we are going to grab the handles at about 1.5 times the width of our shoulders. So that for me is going to be right about here. Now you'll notice that something a lot of professionals like to do is instead of gripping the bar like this, they'll actually keep their thumbs out as they grip it. So their thumb will be placed on the bar rather than under. And that can actually help you engage your lats and feel it in your back a little bit more. So try out that tip to see how it feels and if you like it. The first thing that you want to do is place one knee on the pad and then grab your handles. So again, I'm putting my thumb here rather than wrapping it under. Slowly lower that knee down and then add the second leg. Now you want to make sure that your hips are not moving like this as you pull up and down. Your legs and your hips should stay in exactly the same position the entire time, and your core should be engaged as you pull up and lower yourself down. So the first thing I'm going to think about is engaging my elbows and pulling with my elbows as I come up. What I like to describe this as is if somebody were to grab your wrist and you were trying to pull them down. That is what engaging with your elbows feels like, rather than using your hands to pull the weight. So think about engaging your elbows and bringing those elbows directly to your side to help pull you. Elbows engaged, bringing my elbows to my side, chest out, slowly lower myself down. Notice how my hips, my legs are not moving at all. Engage with my elbows, chest up, hold it at the top for 2 seconds and slowly lower yourself down. Exhale as you come up. Inhale as you go down. You want to get a full stretch of your lats and your shoulders at the bottom. And then as you come up, you want to think about keeping your shoulders shrugged down. So this is them shrugged up, stretch at the bottom. As you pull up, shrug your shoulders down. Starting position, shrugging my shoulders down, engage with the elbows, chest up. Slowly lower yourself down. Inhale as you come down. Now notice how I said keep your chest open. This is a mistake a lot of beginners will make. They actually close their chest and you don't get as good of an engagement with your lats. So I'm going to demonstrate the difference between an open chest and a closed chest. This is me with open chest. This is me with a closed chest. So a lot of people you'll see doing this. Closed chest, pulling this way. Open, closed. Open, closed. Keep that chest open. Slowly lower yourself down. Stretch at the bottom. Shoulders shrug down. Pull with your elbows. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly lower yourself down. So I want you to lower yourself down on a 2 to 3 second count. You're going to bring yourself up on a 1 second count and then hold it at the top for 1 to 2 seconds. I know I give you a lot of tips, but they are all crucial elements to having maximal engagement of your lats. So watch this video as many times as you need to. If you're a beginner, it's totally okay if it's not perfect, if you make these mistakes, but I want to show you what would be considered optimal in terms of a wide grip assisted pull up. And you can work on your form, write down the tips. I'll have it at the end of this video so you can screenshot that and practice it each time you do this exercise.